Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is JJ. I'm a software engineer. I make videos about tech, software engineering, lifestyle, like snowboarding. And if that sounds interesting to you, click down below to subscribe. Today I'm starting the Vim tutorial series by talking about how to navigate in Vim and how to use basic actions to improve your editing workflow. If you haven't seen my video on why you should learn Vim, check it out right over here. When learning something new, I think it's always important to understand the why behind it, so you might be more engaged and more interested as you follow along this video. All right, I got my computer behind me. Let's just open a terminal window and jump into Vim. So I'm gonna open terminal by typing command space and TER for terminal. I'm gonna blow up this window a little more so you can see it better. I'm gonna type ls-l, which will list the files in my directory. I'm gonna open vimtest.java in Vim like this. And this is just a Java file, nothing too complex. If there's a framework or language you want me to show Vim tutorials in, let me know down in the comments. Java is just my first language, something that's super straightforward for me to teach. And we're not talking about anything in the file. It's not that important. Just talking about Vim. So in my previous video, I talked about how it's very difficult to exit out of Vim, but I didn't teach how to get out of Vim, which, it's not a black hole. So if I want to get out of Vim, I can do :Q. Colon takes me into command mode, which allows me to execute a command, and Q stands for quit. So I'm gonna press enter and bam, I'm out of vimtest.java. So if I want to go back in, there's other ways that you can quit out of Vim. So what if I delete this line? So I'm gonna press DD to delete the entire line. And now I wanna save the file. So if I do :Q and press enter, it will say no write since last change. And essentially what this error message is saying is it doesn't know what to do if your change that you just made, whether to save it or discard it. So if you wanna save it, you can type :WQ, and the W stands for write, which write into a file is like saving to a file. So this will write and then exit out of Vim. The other thing you might want to know is, let's say I made a change and I want to get out of it, but I don't want to save the change. If I do WQ, it's going to pop up with that same error message. Now, if you want to discard the change, they tell you to add exclamation mark to override. So if I do :Q exclamation mark, this will quit and discard the change that you just made. Okay, so I'm gonna show you as well how to navigate within the line quickly. So if you wanna go to the end of the line, you can press $, and if you wanna go to the beginning of the line, you can press 0. But sometimes you don't wanna go to the very beginning of the line. You wanna go to the first character of the word in the line. So if you wanna do that, you can press caret, which will take you to the first character of the word that's code related in that line. So I use $ and caret very frequently to go back and forth. Now I did talk about being able to use W to go forward word by word and press B to go back word by word. This is really helpful if you're traversing long lines of code and you want to get to the end, but let me just show you. So if you want to get to bit, I can press $ and then BB, which will take me right to bit because I press the $ and then B. Now if I want to go to U, instead of pressing B a bunch of times, I can press caret and then W to get to U. So this is helpful when you want to traverse through a line of code and they're at the ends or the beginnings of the line. Hopefully you learned something new. If you liked the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more Vim videos coming soon. Let me know down in the comments if the video is too long or if I can put more content in next time. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.